What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today, I'm gonna turn this bloody Damascus pen blank. So let's go straight to the lathe and get this party started. We have our cap chucked up between centers in our lathe. Again, this is the bloody Damascus pen blank from Braxton Frankenbery over at Divine Island Design. Let's get right into it. Now that we are down to the bushings, I've got this nice and flush with the bushings. I'm going to take my sandpaper. I use Abranet, and it goes from 120 to 400, or at least that's what I use. And I'm going to sand. I sand in reverse, and when I go to do that, I make sure the lathe is somewhere around 500 or 600, no more than that. And then once I finish sanding with the lathe on, I stop the lathe, I sand manually back and forth just to change the scratch pattern. And I won't make you watch that, but we'll go ahead and get sanding, and then we'll come back when it's time to MicroMesh. I have this blank sanded through 400. This is looking really, really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one off the lathe. I'm going to bring over my body of the pen. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the body as I did to the cap. So this is the cap. Now I'm going to work on the body. I'm not going to make you watch me turn the body because it's the same exact process. It's literally just turn it down to the bushings, sand to 400, and then once I get that one done, I'll bring you back when I get ready to MicroMesh and finish. We are back. We have the cap and the body both turned. I've put the cap and the body on my mandrel. This way I can MicroMesh both these blanks at the same time, and once we get MicroMeshed, we'll be ready for polish, and then this thing will be ready for assembly. I am really pleased with how this has come out so far. So I'll go ahead and start MicroMeshing, and I won't make you watch all of that, but I will bring you back for my polishing process. We are ready for polish, so I'm going to dry these blanks off, and then we are going to use Novus 3, 2, and 1. So 3 is a heavy scratch remover, Novus 2 is a fine scratch remover, and 1 is a polish. So I'm just gonna work each one of them in and then wipe them off. So let's get to it. That was fun, guys. Here it is. This is the Junior Duke Bloody Damascus pen. The pen kit is from Chad Schimmel over at Turner's Warehouse. The blank, as I mentioned at the beginning, is a Braxton Frankenbery blank, Divine Island design. It's called Bloody Damascus, so if you're interested in this blank, that's what you need to ask for. This was a fun turn. I really enjoyed this one. This came out super awesome, and I can't believe this took me 2 years to turn. I've been sitting on this blank for far too long. I can't wait to turn the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me on this turn. I had a lot of fun, as I already said. If you like what I do, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment. I answer all my comments. I reply to them. Let's have a conversation in the comments. I also have a website, cross-cut-creations.com, where I have merchandise. I have some products available. My YouTube videos like this one are also up there, so check that out. We'll see you next time.